Hello and welcome to Umbraco Learning Base, Jonathan here. While upgrading Umbraco in the past, it would redirect visitors of the website to the upgrading page. To prevent this, we have added a maintenance page that will be shown when visiting the website while Umbraco is in upgrade runtime mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable this page, as most upgrades can be done without the website having to restart or go down. And I'm also going to show you how this page can be styled as well. Great, let's get started. As you can see here, I have a project, and this project has recently been upgraded to a newer version. Now let's go ahead and try and run the project, and let's just see how it looks like on the front end. As we can see here, the front end shows that this website is under maintenance. This page will be shown whenever your project is in the upgrade state. To finish the upgrade, we can always go to the back office up here. And from here, we can upgrade our project to the version that we are upgrading to. Now, it is possible to disable the maintenance page, as most upgrades in Umbraco can be done without the website having to restart or go down or so on. And to do so, we need to go into our Visual Studio project again and add a setting to the app settings.json file. So we're back in my project here, and let's go to the app settings file over here. We need to add the setting under global up here, and let's just go down here. And here we need to add the show maintenance page when in upgrade state. In this case, it's a Boolean, so it can be either true or false. So let's set it to false in this case. Once we set it to false, let's go ahead and save it. And once it's saved, let's go back to our project over here and refresh the front end. And as you can see, now it's not showing the maintenance page anymore. So in this way, you can disable the upgrade of the maintenance page on our project. So if we just remove it here again and save it and refresh the page is back up again. Awesome. Now, the maintenance page doesn't look that great or anything, and we can of course style the page so that it looks more like on brand with however your website looks like. And to do so, we need to do a few things first. First of all, let's close down the project here, and let's go over to my project files to the right in Visual Studio over here. Over here, let's show all files, and here we need to add a new folder in the Umbraco folder here. So let's click add and click add a new folder. Here we need to call the folder Umbraco website. In the Umbraco website folder, we also need to create a new Razor file. So we right click on the folder and click new item over here. Let's find an empty Razor view down here. And this Razor view we need to call maintenance. So let's go ahead and write maintenance down here. And let's go ahead and add the file to our project. And as you can see, now we just have an empty Razor file here. And in here we can style the maintenance page however we like to. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to add some simple HTML to this page down here. So let's add a simple H1, and let's just write a bit of text here as well. And let's add a bit more text down below as well. Awesome. Save it, and let's go ahead and just move it up to the top here, and let's go ahead and then run our project again. Let's just move it over here. And as you can see, it's now displaying my simple HTML on the maintenance page. Awesome. So now you've seen how you can style your maintenance page in the Umbraco CMS. Awesome. So in this video, I've shown you how you can see the maintenance page in the Umbraco CMS. You've seen how you can disable the maintenance page and how you can style the maintenance page so it looks more on brand with your website. That's all that I have for you in this video. My name is Jonathan, and I'll see you in the next one. Jonathan out.